And we are live in 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? How are you all doing today? I hope everybody is wonderful. We are back for another video. Yay! What are we doing today? Well, first, I'll do my normal announcement. We have memberships open. If you want to download and print any of the stuff you see on this channel at home, you can become a channel member and help support the channel, and it's super awesome and also cool. Okay, enough of that. We have a member request. See, the members get extra attention too. If a member requests something or needs help with something, I will try my best to help. In this case, we already have an object to look at, guys. This is a Mobius ring. It just needs a slight bit of help. This member reached out to me today, and we're going to have a look. Let's see. Okay, so this is a Mobius ring. It's like a one-sided... Well, it doesn't have to be one-sided. In this case, it's four-sided. But see, the surface rotates as it also rotates in a circular pattern. Okay, it's confusing looking. But she was having trouble getting it to behave. I could see it's not behaving. Please behave. So we are going to figure this out, guys. I actually jumped in for a couple minutes because I'm like, oh, duh, this will be easy. I'm so smart. And right away, I was confused and frustrated and not smart. Because watch, this is what, but we're going to figure it out because I have an idea. This is what I thought would work. You know what? Let's just keep a 20 by 20 square here. That's what she's using. I already screwed it up. Okay, let's do a 20 by 20. This is what I thought would work. And this is probably what she was trying to, with duplicating and repeating. I thought we could just go like this. Because I love duplicating. Okay, duplicate, slide it over, move it down, and turn it a little. Oops. Yeah. Like, well, like this, but maybe didn't move it that much. Okay, I might have to make my movement smaller. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Brain functioning at a higher level than before. Beep, boop, beep, boop. Wait a minute. Wait. Please, everybody wait. What if I do this? What if I do the tilt first? Let's do 5 degrees because I want to. Do the tilt first, that direction. Then tilt 5 this way. Slide it over. There's no way this is going to work. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to duplicate it. This isn't going to work, is it? Oh my goodness, what are we making, guys? Wait, maybe it will. Let me just keep hitting. See, when I... Oh, yeah, duh. Never mind. So, see, it gets weird quick. I'm actually surprised she got it to behave this much with duplicating. But see, it's got to be the perfect rotation and everything to make it all the way around and do one full turn, if that makes sense. So, do you guys like mine? So, I thought of a way to do it, though, but it's a little more manual. I think it's going to work, so let's just do it. Okay, so let's get a little square down here. Okay, this is almost has to work. Okay, this is what I would do. Come on, baby. No whammies. Okay, let's duplicate it. And am I recording? Where am I? Okay, how big of a space do we want in the middle? Okay, let's make it just like this. Sure. Okay, so I have two of them now. The space will be kind of this about how big the gap is in the middle, right? Okay, here's what we're going to do. Thinking we need to duplicate this, and we need to rotate it. It's got to be a divisor of 360, though. So a number that can be divided by 360. Or the other way around. If you divide 360 by a number, it's got to be a whole number. And I think I looked some up. Oh, yeah. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, and so forth. Let's try 5. 3, 4. Okay, we're going to do minus 5. Okay, so wait, did I just do 6? Please behave. I think it slipped on me there. Here, let's get a little closer. Okay, so yeah, it's got to be it'll be easier if it's a divisor of 360. So let's, and I am not very good with math, so don't yell at me. Okay, we're going to do 5 degrees because 5 is a divisor of 360. So that means when we duplicate it, it should continue all the way around and match up. Okay? Here we go. So see, we're going to get our ring of, see, it matched up just perfect. See? Because it's a divisor, each one of these, you know, whatever. Yeah. It's 5 degrees got us to perfect 360. So see, we got this. Now, all we have to do, I think, we have one lined up right here. We literally just have to start spinning these one at a time. Also in a divisor of 360. So I think, I haven't tried this yet. So let's try 5. Let's spin each one of these 5 degrees. You get what I'm saying? Or is that going to be more than a full flip? Yeah, I think this will work. Here's the catch, though. And this is going to be kind of annoying. We're going to have to spin this 5 degrees each time also. You get what I'm saying? Otherwise, because otherwise you can't tilt these correctly. Like, these won't spin. They're going to tilt all cattywampus, which is got to be a real word. So here we go. This is my life for the next 30 minutes. Did you see what I did? So 5 degrees, like, you know, 5 degrees more than the last time. And now we spin this 5 degrees. And by the time we're done, we should be all the way around. And the squares, the separate squares should have also went one time around. Does that make sense? It better. Or somebody's fired. The editor's fired. Look, I already, see, I better pay attention because look, I already went too far. Am I at 10 or what? Oh, gosh. Here, go back. I thought this was supposed to be at 15. Uh-oh. See, am I already screwing this up? Oh my gosh, how am I going to make it all the way around if I'm already screwing this up? I'm going back. Okay, before we do the time lapse here, so one of them one can stay perfectly straight. That's fine. So, you know, one's going to have to be flat like this. Okay, let's try this one more time. 5 degrees. See, I got to make sure. So I'm actually doing minus 5, which is the same difference. Okay, let's spin it 5. Because see, that is, or is that not giving us? Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute. Oh, see, I think I already screwed it up a second time. Oh my gosh. Okay. Always make sure, here, I learned something. Always make sure you're dealing with the one that's right Here, let's point an arrow at it. We always have to deal with the one that's directly lined right up. Okay. Now I think we'll be all right. Okay, we always are going to be turning the one that's directly pointing at this. That the arrow's pointed at, okay? Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, so let's tip our first one. We're going to tip it to 5. This better work. I don't know why I want to spin it to the right. So we're actually going -5, which is fine. Okay, there we go. And then each time we turn 5. And that should line up the next one. See? Yeah. See, it lined up the next one. And then, so this one will have to go to, -10. There we go. Now we got it. Oh my gosh, this better work. Spin 5. Spin 5 and spin 5. Yep, it's going to work. Oh, we got to see if it does its whole one single flip and like lines up, you know. So editor, please edit out all the times that I'm going to screw this up. I got to pay attention here. Let's do it. What in the world did I do? Okay, we got something screwed up. Oh no! Oh, it did. It was looking so good. Look. I screwed something up. What would I have done? This is no longer straight. This should have been straight. How did that, at 5 degrees turning each time, how would that have became off? Is it, it probably won't even let us go all the way back, will it? Oh my gosh. Let's see. We got to see what happened, guys. I knew there was a problem because I thought we might only have to do 1/4. It's not going to let us go all the way back, is it? I was hoping we'd only have to do 1/4. But I was looking at it and something did not look right. So I just kept going. Oh my gosh, please. Oh my gosh, we went all the way back. Now, drink coffee, stare at it to figure out what I did wrong. Okay. We took a little break. We're ready to rock. I just realized something too. I was looking at the picture of that she sent of like a full one, you know, like an actual one. And this is only making a half a turn as it goes around. I was thinking of mine doing a full turn as it goes around, which would give it a different look. You could do it that way, but so we might have to change our movements to half as much, so 2.5. And look, I positioned this better so we could keep an eye on it. I got to make sure that this stays centered. And then we're just going to turn each one 2.5 and see if that works. We should only have to do half of it, I think. Yeah, we should. Maybe, or wait, no. I don't know. Maybe we can't. Maybe we have to do the whole thing. Unless we can mirror it. Let's try to do half and see if we can connect them together. So here, let's do a couple together. So we're going to do 2.5. This time I'm not going to do negative because I'm going to type it in. It's easier. So 2.5, boopage. Then select everything and spin 5. Somehow I screwed up something. So see, every time it should line up perfect like this. See how this is still perfect right here? Uh-oh, this is going to be confusing, though. I should almost write this down, because now I have to spin 5. I have to do multiples of 2.5. Oh, my gosh. Right? So, see, now we have to spin 5. Okay, I guess we're just going to go for it, guys. Let's do it. Hopefully, we only have to do half. Let's do half this thing. Okay, spin. Hold the phone. Please hold your phone, everyone. I might have figured out our problem. Look, this is already off, and I think I know why. Maybe. Because we are changing the very center of the pivot point because these are sticking out here. So it's changing where the very center is. So it's spinning on a different axis, right? Oh my gosh, did we figure it out? So that means we start over and what would we do? Could we put it on a big disc and spin the whole disc? Oh my gosh, this is a super challenge. This is awesome. You know what I'm saying? What if we had it on a temporary disc that we'll get rid of later? And we'll spin the disc. Would that solve it? Okay, so let's just try it. It might fix it. So let's line these up. Actually, we're going to line all this stuff up. Okay, so even if these are tilted out, it shouldn't change how it rotates. Right? Let's just try it. It should rotate the same. Okay, let's see if it behaves. So, here, let's move this in a little bit more. So we are exact centered, like we are centered there, okay? So let's just try it. So, oh my gosh, this is cray-cray. Okay, select everything. No. We could do our flip first. Okay, we're gonna do a 2 point. Oh, I gotta ungroup this. I had to group this to center, align everything. So ungroup. Oh my gosh, this is such a fun challenge. I thought it was gonna be easy. Maybe there's an easier way. Okay, 2.5. Boop. Okay, let's see if let's editor speed this up and let's see if they stay lined up for a little while here. Oh my gosh, guys, look it. It worked. See, even after doing half of them, it stayed perfect. So I had to put it on this disc and rotate it on the disc because you can't have any shape sticking out farther than the edge or it changes where the middle axis is. Right? So having this bigger circle disc that I'm spinning it on makes it spin correctly. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I figured that out. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see if we can just duplicate this now. Because we have half done. It should work. Unless it doesn't work. Okay, we don't want this one. Let's see which ones we want. And we don't want this one. Okay. We will leave the... Oh, wow. It's looking cool. I think we did it, guys. Okay. Duplicate. Let's just... Oh, gosh. I'm raising it up. I didn't mean to do that. Whatever. Let's just bring it over here to play with. Because we can always do the second half manually. Uh-oh. It looks like I might see one that's slightly off. Do you guys see this? What did I do? Oh, it's not off by much. Oh, I might be able to fix that. Ooh, I can fix that. That's off by like a 0.5 degree. Delete. We're going to have to spin that one so it's... We got to fix that one. Can we try minus 0.5? Oh my gosh. Here's a tip. Don't screw up. So you have to go back. Minus 0.5. There it is. I got it. I got it. Do not do that, guys. Do not mess it up. Honestly, you should almost like write down each like degree that you have to turn these. And once you turn one, cross it off. I just turned these 2.5 degrees more each time than the last one. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then and then of course we were turning the whole disk 5 degrees each time. Okay, guys, we're back to good. So let's select half this. Oh, I'm excited. Duplicate. Slide it over here. Oh yeah, I could tell these are all perfect now. Because see, you can kind of look at these little lines and stuff to tell if you did it good. Wow, this is cool. Okay, please behave. Duplicate. Oops. Okay, we're going to duplicate. And let's just try a normal mirror side to side first. See if it works. So that does not work. See, I think we'll have to flip it. Flip it, mirror it again this way. Yep, there it is. Oh my gosh, this is a beaut. It's a beaut. That's what my grandmother says. Okay, let's line this up. So see, there. Oh my gosh, we did it. That is absolutely fantastic. Here, let's get this out of the way. We got to admire our hard work. Oh my god, this thing's gorgeous. No wonder people like these. They're so, I want to say trippy. Why were we using red? I hate using red. It's an eyesore. Oh my gosh. I would have been more peaceful if I would have been using a different color this whole time. You guys have to remind me. I'd way rather be using like these different tones like this. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. We did it. Oh gosh, it's so cool. So yeah, you could do one that does a full turn, but this square is doing a half a turn. As it goes all the way around, it's doing a half a turn. You could do a full turn, and in that case, you'd only have to do quarters. You'd only have to do a fourth of one, and then you could duplicate it and like finish it off quicker. So the one last thing now, the subscriber wanted to see a solid one. This is like almost solid because see, we got a few gaps. So, but it's the same exact concept. So the way that we did it, it would be exactly the same. So see, I think she has students that she wanted to show the internal structure of. So she wanted to have one with gaps like this, which is fine. It's the same thing that we did, but actually easier. Because, oh my gosh, you know what we could do to super cheat? Would that work? Could we just so I don't have to do it all over again. I could just delete every other one. Because I was just about to say we could, you remember how we like turned it 5 degrees? Let's see. Here, watch this. Where's the other straight one? Is it this one? Must be. Yep. Okay, here, let's grab this out real quick. Oh my gosh, I'm so relieved. I love problem solving and a challenge like that. That was a brain buster. So remember when we first started, we spun 5 degrees, right? So if you wanted one with bigger gaps like she was making here, you would just have to do like 10 degrees. Then you have less to flip too. So see, you could do 10 degrees and then do this. See? And then you could do your turning. You'd still turn. Oh yeah, then you'd spin this 10 degrees each time, but you'd still only flip these. Oh, then in that case you would flip these 5 degrees each time. So to get a half a turn. Right? Yeah, it'd be this. Yeah. So let me see. Could I? Here, I'll just do it quick. That'll be now. I know what I'm doing. I'll just do it quick to prove the point. This one, and now I'm gonna steal our disk back though. Okay, line up our pointer stick to make sure we're behaving. Pointer stick aligned. Okay, now ungroup this. Okay, now we can spin one 5 degrees. Because see, we have half as many to turn. So these we had to turn 2.5 degrees at a time. But this time we have half as many. So we got to spin them at 5, which is even easier. And I noticed it's easier to type it in. So see, we just turned it 5 degrees. Can we move this one? Yay, I love that one. Okay, and then we'll still turn this, or we have to turn it 10 degrees. Oh yeah, I should have just typed it in. That's what I was saying. Here, let's kind of, if you zoom in, if you get yourself positioned just right, it helps. See, so the turny arrow's right here, the turny arrow, technical. Okay, let's make sure. Let's do a 10-degree spin. Yep. Okay, so spin 10 degrees and then, spin it 5 degrees more than last time. So we'd have to do 10 degrees this time. Boop. See, just like that. One more. Let's do one more together. Spin 10 degrees. Now rotate this one 15 degrees. Boom. Beautiful. Let's do one more. Rotate 10. Now rotate this one 20. I see I just keep adding 5 degrees onto that. Okay, editor, speed this up. There we go. Wait, do we have to do one more? Here, let's spin it. Let me make sure. Let's spin it 10 more degrees. That actually only took a couple minutes. A few minutes. Yeah, we're already done. So that was really fast. So you get more efficient at it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that was only like, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes once I started spinning. So duplicate. Let's just bring it out. Okay, and we just duplicate it now. Slap it over here. And we got to mirror it in both directions. So we mirror it this way. So it's like a down, Well, this is also, wow, would that be another weird shape? Nah, that's stupid. Okay, and now mirror it this direction also. Okay, and now just line it up. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's put these over here. Oops. Wait, what happened? Oh, die. What I didn't select. Well, we don't even need this one anymore. Here, let's just get rid of this one. Okay, there we go, guys. Here, let's change this one a different color. How about purple? Something bright for the thumbnail. There we go. And obviously, you could add the inner ring if you want. Obviously, if these aren't even connected, are they? Yeah, this would just fall apart. But you know how to do that. Just add a torus or whatever kind of ring you want to hold it all together. That would be really weird to print, but if you want to, you can do that. I will add these to the membership printouts if you want to print one, but I don't need to print one right now because my printers are busy and I don't have a lot of extra filament. So, gosh, I might sometime though. Oh my gosh. What if we could make one with like, oh gosh, don't get too crazy. What if we could make one that had like movable joints? No, that's too crazy. Okay. Too many weird ideas. There we go. All right, guys. I am proud of our accomplishment here. That was a very, very big challenge for me anyway. Maybe there's an easier way to do it, but I can't think of an easier way. But it actually worked out great. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped out my lovely member that requested this. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.